Guys, sanibona. So I'm watching Wababa here and I'm realizing ukuthi no man. Yazi sanobusibheka uGcwabe sithi uGcwabe umthakazi. Yazi umthathwa ngempela la uMambukazi. Yes, I understand. Maybe she's repenting now. Maybe she's trying to be a good person or whatever. But izenzo zakhe are still questionable, man. I mean, I understand who she has a past that she needs to hide. But now, there's no need to hide from all of that now. What are the reason for her to hide from Uzwelakhe ngesikhathi lapha endlini ezofuna iqiniso? Because all she needed to do was to tell Uzwelakhe ukuthi hey baba, iqiniso awuyena kaMkhize nobaba wakho is so and so. Udlule kanjalo kuphela. Guys, what is Mambukazi doing? What? Let us talk about this and more here on this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down it so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this. So I think I'm starting to understand what kind of a character Mambukazi is. So Mambukazi is that one person on the history of better because Uputwake just told us now what she had clients. Obviously, if she had clients, what was she selling? Obvious, there's only one thing that she could have been selling. Engenza ukuthi kuvele ingane. Nanokuthi ke udayisile ngefani kwavela Uzwelakhe. Manje kunosolo phumile, it is all out. So all she needs to do ukuthi amtshela ukuthi Uzwelakhe mina ngangiyingane akade izidayisela ngomzimba. So manje ubaba wakho akumazi ukuthi ubani. And mhlawumbe ke if kuukuthi it's that difficult, kube ukuthi secret sephelela between Uzwelakhe noma wakhe le engadluli kwabanye abantu because all know what is going to happen should uGcwabe and uMusa found out ukuthi Uzwelakhe akenwa kaMkhize. So abe secret yabo yithu. Now Mambukazi pissed me off seeing Uzwelakhe coming in or parking at the gate. Wabale wacasha emva kwecaphe uyasinga unoswini right now. And Uzwelakhe now akazazi ukuthi kumele enze njani because now he knows ukuthi should his mom confess amtshela iqiniso ukuthi ubani bawakhe ngempela or what happened back then or that ukhetho noma ukhetho ukuthula or that ukhetho ukuthula kusibaba wakhe uyazi ukuthi uzowenzakalani. He'll be hiding even more, so he's also trying to protect his feeling and stuff. Manje angazi uMambukazi why uzofihlela ingane iqiniso ibe vele ingane seyelazi. Yo, this angazi ukuthi how long Uzwelakhe going to suffer from this, but by the look of things he's really going to suffer and kuzoba buhlungu more than it is right now. So guys, I don't know, comment down in the comment section if you know what do you think about Mambukazi hiding from Uzwelakhe. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end, and thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.